In this video, let's talk about how to set up your domain on Cloudflare. In order to publish your GroovePages site onto your own domain name, you will need to add in your domain name into Cloudflare. Make sure you watch our tutorial on how to sign up for a Cloudflare account if you haven't already, or need help doing so. While inside your Cloudflare account, you will be prompted to add your site, which needs to be your own domain name. This is also the page that you will be redirected to after you have completed your account's creation process. If, for whatever reason, you're inside your Cloudflare account but do not see this page, you can get here by clicking on the button that you see on the top right corner of your screen, labeled Add Site. Once here, to get started, simply enter in your domain name into this field. Note that this needs to be your own domain name that you have registered with a domain registration provider. Once you have entered in your domain name, click on Add Site. You will then be asked to select the plan, which you can learn more about by clicking on Learn More About Our Plans. For now, we're simply going to go with the free plan because that's all we need for the time being. Select Free and click on Confirm Plan. Cloudflare then scans your domain for existing DNS records, which it will then import into your Cloudflare dashboard. Now don't worry if you're not sure what any of this means. As long as this is your domain and you have the login to make changes to it, you are good to go. Scroll to the bottom and click on Continue. You will then be redirected to this page that asks you to change your name servers. Your step 1 may look different depending on which domain registration company you have used to register your domain name. Regardless of which domain name company you have used, the task is the same. You will need to log in to your domain registration account, remove your existing name servers, and replace them with Cloudflare's name servers. If you need help with this, be sure to check out our other tutorials on how to change your name servers in your domain registration accounts. When you have done this, click on Done, check name servers. On the next page, this is the security option that we are looking for. By default, up top, you will see that your SSL/TLS encryption mode should be set to full. Make sure it remains at full, or if not, check on the radio button that says full. Next, for always use HTTPS, you will want to toggle the switch to turn it on. As for everything else on this page, you can simply leave them as they are and click on Done.